maybe some other CAD software, and we might just configure and play with it. I'm new to CAD. I've maybe tried to use it before on the computer. It probably couldn't get it working. So this is my first experience with it. It's not my first experience downloading things on Linux. So we're doing it on Ubuntu 25. I'm just going to stream so that I can see everybody's chat, and then we will be on our way. Okay, so here we go. So just to get there, I went to freecad.org. FreeCAD 1.0. This is fairly new, if I remember right. But we're gonna go to download now. Oh, sorry, I'm just. Okay, cool. We are going to go to download now, and just making sure I have all the settings for the stream right. I don't know if I do. That's whatever. And then Linux, and we'll do x86. It says for district-specific install instructions, such as Ubuntu PPA. Please check out the wiki. But when I click on that, it doesn't work. Get invalid response. So, and then I like how I got here. I forget. I'm trying to remember how I got here. Let's see. Well, so that's for the app image, right? So that's for 8611. We're not going to do this because apparently Ubuntu has it in the Snap Store. So the Snap Store is like Ubuntu's app store, is my understanding. I don't really understand it. It's my first time using any sort of store thing, I think, on Linux. So, so yeah, I'm tempted to just press install, but I kind of want to go to the Snap Store on the computer here. Is App Center the Snap Store? I don't know. And let's just type in freecad. Yeah, all right, let's click on this. Latest beta, latest stable. We'll do latest stable. This just do install, and then type in my password here. It's so yeah, just need to make sure that y'all can't see what I'm typing in. I'm gonna say, losing my train of thought right now. I've been going nuts this morning just trying to get the brightness reduced. I can reduce it on my screen, but I can't reduce it. It looks like it's installing, by the way. I typed it in. Wow! How long is this going to take to install? Interesting. Huh. Alright, so is it actually going to take that long? That's nutty. It might just be my connection. It's weird because I have a really fast connection. So, but looking at this, it's like it's going to take like 2 or 3 minutes or something. So maybe longer. I don't know. It looks like it's almost a quarter way done. So let's go to FreeCAD benchmarking. Benchmarking on Ubuntu. Yeah. How about how to benchmark CAD on Ubuntu? Whoops. Yeah. BRLD CAD, open source CAD system that includes built-in performance benchmark for values. So maybe we'll do that. Maybe we'll do benchmarks. I just kind of want to play with it for a second. All right, we're more than halfway done now. I just want to play with it. So I know I'm going to need to look at some short YouTube videos at least. Let's see. It feels so weird using, like, I haven't used any sort of Snap Store on Linux, like any sort of store on like a desktop computer. It just feels so odd to me. Like feels like I'm on a phone, but I'm on a computer. I don't know how I feel about it. All right. What are we gonna type in here? Something like, no, not wheels. What's the thing that connects to a wheel? It's like the, I can't even think of it right. I'm like, I don't know words. What holds the wheel to the frame of a vehicle? What's it called? The wheel hub, which is, yeah, connected to the axle and suspension system. All right, let's do that. Designing a wheel hub in CAD. I can't like, my typing setup is my whole like desk setup right now is not ideal. So I'm like typing worse and all that, isn't it? This says AutoCAD, and I wrote, oh, I didn't write FreeCAD. I just wrote CAD. Nope, I don't want 2.0. I want just FreeCAD, or 0.2 rather. That's 2 years ago. We'll sort by this year. And it looks like it's done. We'll open it. So I don't know if I have the, I'm pretty sure I don't have the perfect driver for, I clicked that twice. I hope that do anything weird. I don't have driver for my graphics card yet for this. So I don't know. Take it with a grain of salt. I don't know. I assume I don't anyway. Theme, a classic, light, dark. We'll do dark. Language, unit system. Oof. Why are there so many options? This is crazy. We'll stick with standard navigation style, CAD. Wow, okay. OpenSCAD. So I looked at all these different CADs. I ended up going with FreeCAD. I don't remember why. And I don't know if we'll stick with it. You know, this is just for testing this computer to sell. So, all right. Let's see. Okay. Wow, this is a 34-minute tutorial. That is a long tutorial. I'm wondering if there's a way. Maybe I won't watch any tutorial. All right, how about this? How about we look at someone else's? Hey, Mason is back. Welcome to stream. What just happened? Let's look at robot. You are here. What's going on? I guess we can go to models, community, team, models, mini guys, models again. I want to get to the Sculler Robot Wheel Hub, if that's a thing. CAD model, front casters. Let's see. This is what I'm on, by the way. Oh, I can't type it into chat. Oh no. Well, scuttlebot.org, if you can see. Let's see. Scuttle Robot Wheel Hub. That's the file. Maybe just Scuttle Robot Wheel Hub. Let's see. part design, create body. This is cool. I don't know. I like the look of it. I'm warm to it. Yeah, this is what I'm looking for. What's the source of this image file? Wheel assembly. Let's see that. Wheel assembly. I don't think I spelled assembly right. Wheel model 152 millimeters. All right, let's look at this. ISO. What? .76 millimeters. Get model. GrabCAD. Everyone does the GrabCAD. Let's make sure that can freecad open STL files. File open. All right. Let's do. All right, here's what we're going to do. We are going to go to documents, mkdir, freecad. CD freecad. And, sorry, I'm just like, my mind, I had too many thoughts right now. Let's just do mkdir wheel hub. mkdir scuttle. Okay, all right, where were we? Let's go to, what did I say, the STL files? Let's see how this works. Download file. I have to have an account. No! Huh. All right, let's just, let's go to part design. Ooh, robot. What would you just test that? Just clicked on an example, like assembly example. Okay, you can rotate like this. The top right. Why is it zoomed in? I want to zoom out. All right, so to zoom out, I just press roll on my scroll wheel. And then if I want to like change the view, controlling and right clicking. And okay. This is this. So I want to design a wheel hub. So if you're on my channel, you'll see there's something called the first robot video. It's a short video. It's a short. I'm just talking about like the robot that I want to make. And so that is what I will be designing in CAD. Or CAD. And yeah, I don't know. Let's see. Maybe I'll just watch this wheel hub tutorial. I'll start with this wheel hub tutorial. Give me 1 second. I have to adjust something in real life. It's weird, like, using Ubuntu because I expected, you know, whatever. Never mind. I gotta get some sound. I'm gonna be able to hear the sound. I guess you won't for now. Interesting. All right, I think that's it. I think actually I'm not going to do this right now. Maybe I'll stream later and make another video where I'm actually doing stuff. No one is online right now, and I need a break. I was doing other stuff this morning. So thank you for tuning in the stream or the video. Please leave comments. I expected it to be a longer process for installing on Linux. It was not. Ubuntu is very simple. So, yeah, see you in the next one. This PC is for sale that I'm using. So if you're interested in buying, let me know. I still haven't posted it really anywhere, so I'm figuring out where to put it. So if you have any ideas about that, let me know. Thanks. Bye.